Hi guys, Tanushri here. As you know that Father's Day is fast approaching. It's on the 20th of June, and like every year, this year also I was confused as to what to get for my dad because he's the one who has been pampering me for the last 25 years. Thankfully, Bombay Shaving Company has some amazing Father's Day gifting options. So I picked this skin and pamper kit from their website, and oh my god, I'm just blown away by the packaging. So it comes in this nice black outer package. Once you take the box out of it, you'll see that it is completely black. Okay, I dropped that. It's completely black. It looks gorgeous. Like it has a nice matte flat finish with Bombay Shaving Company embossed on the box. Has a nice magnetic clasp system which I think is common throughout all their gift boxes, and it's super duper premium. So once you open the box, you're going to see that there are 5 things inside the box that I'll just take you through each and every one of them. So first you see that there is a face moisturizer. Then we have a coffee face wash and a coffee face scrub. And these smell like you just walked into a European coffee shop, I swear. Like these smell amazing. We also have a charcoal face sheet mask, which is all the rage these days. And we also have a Bombay Shaving Company Velino, which is supposed to be a scent for men. This again smells amazing. Another reason why I bought this particular kit for my dad is because if he's coming to wake me up at 7 in the morning, he might as well smell like coffee, So it's a win-win situation. The cool thing about the box is that it actually looks like I spent some money on the gift this time, right? But it retails for $17.87 on the website. You can use the coupon code MyDadShines and get an additional off on it. So yeah, I mean, what are you waiting for? Go get it. My dad loves it and I'm sure yours will too.